This wooden floral letter is stunning and makes a special gift for any mom in your life. It's also shockingly easy. All you need to create something beautiful is the appropriate wooden letter for the recipient, an assortment of fake flowers, a glue gun, and some scissors. Buy more flowers than you think you'll need and either keep the extra for another project or return what you don't use. When cutting the flower from the stems, cut them as close to the flower as possible so it lays flat. If you know the favorite colors of the special mom that will get this gift, choose flowers in those colors. The more you can personalize, the more she'll appreciate your thoughtfulness. For the final touch, consider adding an elegant ribbon to the back of the letter, so mom has a choice of hanging it from a wall or door, or placing it on a shelf or other surface. She will be amazed by your stunning gift. The fun will be in finding the perfect location to display it.